Imagine you're in a lush green jungle full of life and sounds. You see a small furry creature with a long tail swinging from branch to branch. Meet our friend the marmoset monkey. This tiny acrobat is no bigger than a squirrel with soft fur, sparkling eyes, and a tail longer than its body. Nimble and quick, it dances through the jungle canopy with the grace of a trapeze artist. But how did this agile creature come to be? Let's travel back to the beginning of its life journey. Every marmoset's journey begins when they are incredibly small, even smaller than your thumb. This is the start of a marmoset's life cycle. Imagine being born no bigger than a grape, delicate and vulnerable. That's exactly how a marmoset starts its life. In the cozy confines of the forest, our tiny marmoset is lovingly cared for by its parents. Mom provides warmth and milk, while Dad stands as the vigilant protector. But it's not just the parents who pitch in. Marmosets live in tight-knit families where everyone, including older siblings, share the responsibility of looking after the newborns. They snuggle together, play together, and learn together, creating a wonderful, nurturing environment for the little ones to grow. As days turn into weeks, our marmoset, once the size of a thumb, begins to explore and learn under the watchful eyes of its family. From a tiny newborn, our marmoset grows and learns new skills. Now it's time for the next stage of its life. As weeks pass, our little marmoset starts to explore its jungle home. It's growing stronger and more curious every day. The world around it is filled with new and exciting things to discover. But this isn't just fun and games. Each adventure is a lesson in survival, a stepping stone in its journey to adulthood. Our marmoset is rapidly learning the ropes of its treetop world. Those tiny fingers, perfect for gripping mother's fur, are now proving ideal for another purpose: climbing. With the agility of an acrobat, it swings, leaps, and crawls across the branches, all the while honing its skills to navigate the jungle canopy with ease. But a marmoset cannot live on adventure alone. It needs to eat. Remember those tiny sharp teeth? They're perfect for piercing the bark of trees to reach the delicious sap within. This is a skill it must master, for sap forms a large part of the marmoset diet. Our little friend is also learning to forage for insects, fruits, and other small creatures, developing a palate as diverse as the jungle itself. Socializing is another crucial part of marmoset life. Marmosets are very family-oriented creatures. Our growing marmoset spends a lot of time with its siblings, parents, and extended family, learning the complex social dynamics of marmoset society. There's always a game to play, a chase to join, or a grooming session to partake in. This constant interaction helps our marmoset learn important communication skills and strengthens its bond with the family. Just like humans, marmosets are full of playful energy and curiosity. They love to explore, to learn, and to play. Every day brings new lessons, new experiences, and new opportunities for growth. Our marmoset is a bundle of energy, constantly on the move, constantly learning, constantly growing. Our marmoset has come a long way from its tiny beginnings. But it's not fully grown just yet. The journey of growing up is far from over. There are many more adventures to be had, many more lessons to be learned. So let's continue our journey with our little marmoset as it navigates through the exciting world of the jungle. Our marmoset is now an adult, ready to lead its own family. It's a big responsibility, but our marmoset is up to the challenge. As an adult, this tiny creature's life takes a fascinating turn. It's time to find a companion, a mate, a partner in crime, if you will. In the world of marmosets, it's not just about finding the right mate. It's also about starting a family, building a home, and becoming a beacon of strength and guidance for a whole new generation. The adult marmoset becomes the leader of its family, a role it takes very seriously. Marmosets are known for their strong family bonds, and it's the leader's job to keep those bonds strong and secure. The marmoset's lifespan is quite remarkable, living up to 20 years in some cases. Imagine all the wisdom and experience our marmoset gathers in this time. It uses this knowledge to guide its family, teaching its little ones how to navigate the vast and enchanting jungle, how to find food, and most importantly, how to stay safe from predators. From a tiny newborn to a strong leader, our marmoset has completed its life journey. And so the cycle continues with its own little ones. Life in the jungle carries on, with our marmoset now leading the way, ensuring the survival and prosperity of its family its lineage, and its kind.